Dubbed Mfundisi by his former coach Ben Zigali, Tholumusa Ngema started his boxing career in KwaZulu-Natal in 2007 and quickly moved up the amateur boxing ranks with 62 amateur fights unbeaten.
First fight yami yakwa amateur kwakuyifight even nami ngangayitshethi ngizoyiwina but ngase nginaleyo confidence ukuthi no, I can do this. Yabo okukhona lokho inside my heart ukuthi I know lento ngizoyenza ngayidlala i-first fight yami noma engelula ngayiwina. Leyo nto leyo yanginika ugqozi ukuthi I know I can do it.
Due to a lack of fights in KZN, Mfundisi was introduced to legendary boxing coach Sean Smith, who currently trains him as a professional boxer at his gym.
He started about probably 2 months ago, and he's done very well. He's responded to the training, very obliging. You know, he's always keen to go and to push, and he's quite inspirational and motivational to even some of the more like mature professionals.
The KZN force was promoted to professional boxing in 2014 and has since fought in 4 professional fights. Although he recently lost to bantamweight champion Ronald Malindi, he still remains respectful of his opponents as he prepares for his next fight.
As a professional boxer, kuyadinga ukuthi usebenze kakhulu ejimini, ulalele sonke isikhathi uhlezi ejimini, ujime and unga-undermine amanye ama-boxer. Into engibashaya ngayo abantu abaningi ngibashaya nge-movement phansi and I have quick hands are fast, ngiyakwazi ukuskorisha sonke isikhathi, ngikwazi ukumove phansi. Iyona nto abantu ebadidayo le engakwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bangithole kalula.
Apart from his achievements, Ngema is one of many young boxers who are in need of a sponsor to sustain his life in Gauteng, as he only gets paid per fight. One thing's for sure though, Ngema is a force of nature and is currently training hard with his coach for his next big clash next week. Nkosi, Soweto TV News, 4 Ways.